Bosh! Alright guys, here we go. It's finally here, my super quick and easy keto pasta / noodle recipe. This is super friggin' quick and easy to do. Check these out. Lovely friggin' pastry, noodly, strandy thingamabobbies. Anyway, enough yapping. Let's go and start making some of these friggin' lovely keto pasta / noodles. Chicka-pow! Been a long time coming, but we are finally here. I have my super quick and easy keto pasta / noodle recipe. Okay, so you're just going to obviously need a bowl, whisk thingamabob, a little splash of oil of your choice. We need some psyllium fibre. We've got an egg, a splash of water, and we're going to need like a microwavable bowl thingamabob. This is BPA free, make sure you get that. Is obviously better for your health. Okay guys, so here we go. We are just going to add in a splash of water now to the bowl. Like so. And, here's our egg. We're just going to crack that in. Like so. One-handed style for that extra special classiness. Okay, then we're just going to give that a little mix up. Now we're going to add in a dash of the psyllium fibre. Okay, we're going to add this in gradually because we don't want it to like all congeal in one massive lump. Okay, there we go. You must make sure you do it this order, guys. Otherwise, you're gonna have lumps of like psyllium husk and water with like egg all fluffed up together, which is not what we are after. As you can see now, we've mixed this up. It's a little bit airy, but we're gonna let that settle down for a second because you don't want like friggin' load of bubbles in your pasta / noodles. As you can see, the bubbles have all disappeared now, and it's thickened up nicely. So we are just going to add that now into our plastic pot. Here we go, guys. Sound effects as well. Got to have my annoying sound effects. I know you're saying, well, we had oil earlier around here. Where is the oil? We are going to use that in a second. So don't worry, I have not forgotten about the oil. We're going to let that sit for a couple more minutes and let that settle down. There we go then, guys. As you can see, it's settled down nicely. Got a nice even coat along the bottom. And I'm just going to now lob this into the microwave. And pow. Just going to put that on for about a minute and a half and then check it. Here we go, time to check. Yeah, a little bit bubbly, it's not too bad though. Still a little bit wet, I'm just going to put it in for another minute. And here we go, this is probably about the right sort of texture. Fingers crossed, this will just peel out lovely and jubbly. We are sorted, check out that guys. A little bit lumpy in places, but come on guys. We've got to work with what we've got, do the best we can do with our keto ingredients. And we're just going to add a little splash of that oil I showed you earlier. And just give that a little wipe over, okay? This is going to stop it from sticking when we cut it up. Alternatively, if you've got one of those spray oils, that would be a good time to use it. There we go. We are now ready to cut. So we are just going to roll it over, okay? Like so. We're going to make it into like a little roll, obviously. And now we're just going to cut like this. Up to you the size, it depends on your dish, on what you want, what you're after. I'm just going to cut like a ½ centimetre. And then just unwind like this. And this is where the oil helps them not to stick everywhere. If you didn't do the oil on the top, I've tried it before, trust me, they stick like crazy. Anyway, obviously some look better than the others. If you're doing like a professional meal, you can get rid of the side ones and that, but general meals, it is all good, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so bosh, there we go. Here is our keto pasta. Check out that. How good does that look? And so quick and easy. Does not take long to do at all, and then you are ready to use it in your dishes. So here we go, we've got our noodles like this. They're already cooked as we've done them in the microwave and chopped them up, so you can eat them just like this. There is no problem. If you're going to heat them up again or want them a little bit warmer, do not boil them in water for ages, because they're just going to turn to like and be absolutely useless. So you can just like dip them in some boiling water for like a couple of seconds really, just to heat them up, or you can just add these directly to your dish, your pasta sauce and whatnot, whatever you've made, and they will be good to go. Anyway guys, there you go. This is the final result. I hope you give them a try. I haven't made any sauce for this, but I'm just going to give one a little test. Look at that. You've even got that pasta style Lady and the Tramp dog thingamabob going on as well. That's friggin' awesome, yeah? Yeah, pretty good. Really nice flavour. Quick and easy to do. Like friggin' 2 ingredients, guys, excluding the oil. But there you go. Give it a try. Tell me what you think in the comments. And I need to put the friggin' aircon on now because I am friggin' baking. Hope you like it. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Yada, yada, yada. And stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you. Take care and stay cool. Chicka, chicka, ba! Microwavable super Raphael. Enough jabbering. I'm going jabbering, whatever. Anyway, enough talking. Anyway, here we bosh. Okay, guys, you all right? Check out these lovely jubbly. So there we go. That's smash, 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 smash.